I just like to ask you about the recent riots. 150,000 people gathered there. And I can see when you run your party in one day, 600,000 people join your party. So are we going to see some competition with the
Yes.
parties?
How
are we going to feel this?
Yourparty.uk has already signed up 750,000 people, which is 3 times the membership of any other political party in Britain, and is considerably bigger than the Labour Party membership was when I was leader, which was 600,000. Now, we haven't actually formally, legally launched the party yet, but surely that's a sign of something. What's happened over the past year, but really over the past 5 years, has been that Labour has veered in towards reform, has joined in with the attacks on refugees, asylum seekers, has allowed space for reform to rise. Reform have got an easy ride in the media, and Farage is on the television every single day.